J.R. Mitchell with OMG Carpet Cleaning. It's Wednesday, about 1:40. I do not have my logoed shirt on right now because one of the many benefits of owning your own business is setting your own schedule. I am currently southbound on 675, headed to my brother's house, which is where my mom lives, because tomorrow is her 80th birthday. So I am surprising her by spending the day with her tomorrow. And since it's a 3-hour drive from my house to where they are, I figured I would do down the day before, which is today, Wednesday the 18th, and come back home tomorrow. But the important thing is if I had a 9-to-5er, or if I didn't own my own company or run my own business, then I obviously would not be able to take off as needed or set my own schedule. So obviously this is a different kind of video because it's not about carpet cleaning or how to clean this or how great our citrus products work or the amount of money you can make, that kind of thing. It all boils down to how do you spend your time. And I'm looking forward to seeing your mom's face because I should get there about the same time my brother gets home. So we'll probably walk in about the same time, and I'm looking forward to seeing the look on her face when she sees me, because my wife and I were just there this past weekend for a birthday celebration, which kind of helped me set up today/tomorrow's events. So if you're interested in starting your own carpet cleaning business, or if you're in the business and you're not making at least $100, $150 an hour, I did have a job this morning that was a tiny little 3-area job, $120, took about 45 minutes, which again I scheduled that because I knew I was leaving this afternoon to drive down here. But the important thing is you can do this too. We can teach you how to do it. We do sell our operations and marketing manual. It is available discounted for firefighters. And the ladder right there in the middle of the road. For firefighters and for those of you who have served our country, where we actually sell it at half price to you guys in a thanks for your service and your sacrifice. It's not much compared to what you guys did, but we certainly do appreciate it. So you can find us on the web, omgfloorcare.com, 404-500-9853. omgfloorcare.com/veterans is our special page for our veterans. omgfloorcare.com/firefighters is our special page we have set up for our firefighters and first responders. So, like I said, it's about 1:45 on Wednesday afternoon, August the 18th, 2021. As always, take care and be kind.